This is 60 business ideas in 60 days. Today we're talking about starting an IT infrastructure and cybersecurity company. The UAE's strong focus on digital resilience, AI adoption, and government cybersecurity mandates makes this one of the fastest growing sectors in the country. Under this license, you can offer IT infrastructure services like network setup, servers, storage, cloud deployment, and systems integration. Cybersecurity services including threat assessments, penetration testing, security audits, and data protection solutions. IT services like 24/7 monitoring, help desk, and remote support. Cloud and data center solutions covering virtualization, backup, and disaster recovery. IT consulting and systems design for technology strategy, system architecture, and implementation planning. Software and hardware solutions for supplying, installing, and configuring enterprise systems. Now, let's talk about where to set up. If your goal is to work with government departments, banks, or large corporate clients inside the UAE, or if you'll be doing on-site IT installation and infrastructure setup, the Mainland is your best choice. Dubai DET issues relevant activities such as IT infrastructure services, network security, computer systems integration, and cybersecurity consultancies. If you plan to focus on regional consulting, cloud-based services, or online cybersecurity audits, then a free zone setup is more affordable. Free zones are ideal for offshore and remote work. But if you want to conduct physical on-site services for mainland clients, you'll need to work through a mainland branch or partner. Because this is a regulated sector, some activities may need special approvals. If you're offering telecom, networking, or cybersecurity services, you may need clearance from the Telecommunications and Digital Government Regulatory Authority or other authorities. If you're handling client data, you must follow UAE Data Protection rules. Opening a business bank account is straightforward, but banks may classify IT and cybersecurity as medium risk. They'll want to see your trade license, a business plan, client contracts or MOUs, your office lease, and any technical certifications. Clear invoicing and predictable cash flow help the approval move faster. Here's your game plan. Choose your jurisdiction, select your business activities, apply for your trade license from DET or your chosen free zone, get regulatory approvals, lease your office or tech workspace, process your investor or partner visa, hire qualified IT engineers and cybersecurity professionals, open your business bank account, register for corporate tax and VAT, get cybersecurity insurance if you handle sensitive data. And that's it. Your IT infrastructure and cybersecurity company is ready to launch. If this sounds like the right business for you, we're here to help. We've helped over 25,000 entrepreneurs start their business in the UAE for over the past 10 years. Fill out the form in the description and let's get started.